So how do you make SMMA ads? Ads that work, convert, and actually drive results. I'll show you exactly how we create video ads for clients without breaking the bank. A lot of videos will show you how to set up the Facebook ad campaign, and I've shown you this many times on this channel. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually create the video, the creative, the script, the final product, the thing that's gonna attract somebody to buy at the end of the day. And I'm gonna break down a past client example that we actually drove 8 purchases within less than 30 days to their high-ticket SaaS platform. We've used this same strategy to help product-based companies, service-based companies, as well as our own agency ads. So this is gonna be a highly valuable training, and you're gonna be shocked at how simple this is. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna drop a URL where you can download our winning funnel template. That way you can replicate these results for your clients as well. So let's go over to the process and the heuristic rules that we're gonna follow throughout this video. So the first step is we're gonna need to write a script. Second, we're gonna hire a green screen actor. Third, we're gonna edit the video. And fourth, we're gonna put all the pieces together in a campaign. You guys asked for fulfillment strategies in our free Growth Club community on School, so here you go. So the first thing you're gonna see here is the script. Now I've broken this down into a few key features: the hook, a challenge, a unique feature on our product, another challenge, another unique feature, and then finally a call to action. This is going to be the template that you'll follow for most ads. A lot of people make this so complicated and really procrastinate at the end of the day, make this seem like this large project, but really it's simple. You need to call out somebody on the other end of the camera. You need to give them a compelling reason why they should have your solution and a call to action. So we can do that with a simple script like this, simple video actor, and a basic lead generation ad. So let's go into this script here. This is for a client called ChiroCat. They are a SaaS platform for chiropractors. We asked our client some very specific questions that will be in the guide at the end of this video. But we said, hey, what are some common complaints of your marketplace? What are the challenges? What are they facing right now that they're not able to solve with the incumbent vendors or the competition that they're using today? And a big thing they said is a lot of the tools were unintuitive, so they're difficult to use, they're expensive, and they lacked basic mobile connectivity. So it wasn't up to the times. You couldn't use it on an iPad. You couldn't use it on a phone. It had to be on a desktop computer, PC. It just was not user-friendly at all. And this is very much tuned towards mobile, tuned towards Mac. And we wanted to highlight that in this video. So we said, hey, chiropractors, are you frustrated with your current practice management software? And actually, before I jump into it, I'll just show you like what the basic ad looks like. It's super simple. We've got 2 videos. I'll show you what the raw files look like. We hired this actor. He came back and gave us a simple performance against this blue background. So we could cut him out and put them anywhere we wanted. And when talking with our client, we realized that a lot of chiropractors, they dress fairly kind of business casually. A simple button-up shirt, a Henley, like this is gonna be more the vibe of the clientele that we're going for. So we were very intentional here. We didn't put them in a suit. And our client said that that would turn off a lot of chiropractors. And so we put them in a simple room. This was at a time where I don't want it to look like they're in a sterile environment. I just want it to look like a clean background. And this is easily done with video editing software, and I'll show you how to do that later in the video. But this is the call out. Hey, chiropractors. Many of these platforms haven't innovated in years, and in today's modern world, we hear from chiropractors all the time that other platforms are unintuitive, expensive, and lack basic mobile connectivity. First thing chiropractors love about ChiroCat is it just feels good to use. And then we show what the platform looks like. So here I'm marking off unintuitive, expensive, lacking mobile connectivity. It just feels good to use. Here it is. It's simple. It's modern. Okay? And a big thing they told us is that chart notes are a huge pain point during their day. ChiroCat makes it simple. Not only can you update notes on the go, but your patients do most of the work for you. One last unique feature and a call to action. If you're ready to make a change, click the link below, grab a time on our calendar, and we'll give you a free trial so you can test drive ChiroCat and see for yourself what the next gen chiropractic software is all about. So this is a basic script. We use this for tons of different clients. Who am I calling out? Who am I talking to? That's the very first thing that needs to be coming out of your mouth. Hey, chiropractors. I don't want any time wasted, because think about it. Somebody is just scrolling by. And if I'm not getting into the fact that I'm talking to chiropractors 10 seconds into the video, they're never even going to see the fact that they should be watching this in the first place. Use your targeting to an advantage, call them out immediately, talk about a challenge that you face and address, and then your unique benefit or position in the marketplace on how you're different. Very, very simple. So you're like, hey, how the hell do I find a green screen actor? Well, literally go on Fiverr, type in green screen actor, $30, $15, $5, $45. All in, we did this whole ad, I think, with video editing, with all of the takes, it was like $250. Like, that's it. Realize that anybody can access this stuff. And I prefer our clients do this route where they test out a green screen actor, a simple script, before they go and invest in a ton of money doing a big marketing campaign where they're paying lots of money for graphics, for editors, for paid spokesperson. Like, you've never even tested a message before. It's about getting into the marketplace, right? Go to market. You're making lemonade. You're not going to sell it in your basement. You got to go to the market. You got to put it out there. So having a minimal viable product or something like this where you can just simply get it out for a couple $100, test it, and lo and behold, we got 8 customers through this simple ad in less than 30 days. So it's very, very powerful, and not only testing, but converting. And we do the same process for our ads. Like for our agency, we get clients the same way. We call out our customers directly. Simple ad, simple solution, call to action, book a call. You can do this on Upwork as well, and just find somebody that fits the vibe. Go through, listen to their sizzle reel. This guy seems super amateur. Like, this guy's kind of a comedy, dude doing different things. And then you'll find other people that are maybe a little bit more seasoned, a little bit more serious. They've got 74 jobs, this guy's got 12. Am I looking for a man, a woman? This is just a few results here on Fiverr. You can plug in Upwork and you're going to get a ton of people like this. So this is exactly what we did. Found somebody, he did it on a blue screen instead of a green screen, doesn't matter. And then we also just gave him a bunch of additional pain points, and I just wanted him to read off like 10 other pain points that my client recognized or challenges, and then we could just swap them out in editing, and we could have an infinite amount of ads just from a few clips. Next, once you've found a green screen actor, usually they'll turn it around in about 24 hours. Find a video editor, somebody who's done some corporate work, see what they've done, look at their reviews. I mean, $50, $100. Like, some of these you could get done for less than $100. You could find an editor and a green screen actor and have a simple ad that you can go and test. It's pretty powerful for getting things to market quickly. And we've done this many times. Like, we've used this guy for other ads. Like, here's another client that we've done it for. We're like, hey, fraud and risk leaders. This one, hey, are you still using these kind of surveys? Here's the problems and challenges. Here's the solution. Grab a guide to learn more. So super simple. So you can take the building blocks of the script. You don't have to do it word for word, but you need some kind of hook and call out in the first 2 seconds. Hey, insert niche. Are you facing this challenge, or would you like this result? Here's how many other platforms or incumbent vendors fall flat. Here's how we're different. This is what we do. This is why we're better. This is why we're the top premier choice in the marketplace. And then you can layer on another challenge, feature, or a result, adding a customer testimonial, something that proves that you do what you say you do and you do it well. And then last, a call to action. This can either be to book a call, or it can be to download a guide. We tested out both of these and they both worked well, but I like download a guide option. Like, we said generate more customers with reviews. We made a simple thing in Canva, and the next step was to book a call, which would just link them to a thank you page. So really, really simple. You're probably thinking, like, it can't be this easy. It is. It really is. People overcomplicate stuff all the time, don't take action. And if you would just do a simple script, pain gain analysis with your client, it can be very, very effective if targeted properly. So now that you've got a script, you've hired your green screen actor, you've gotten a video editor to put together a simple video for you. Now you've got a final product. Hey, chiropractors, boom, simple graphics. Like this is like $50 worth. Very, very simple. These graphics here, the client had, so we just layered those on. But you could hire a Fiverr person just to go and build these out for you. Say, hey, here's some screenshots of the platform or the product. Go ahead and plug it in on an iPhone, an iMac, or a MacBook. Put it against a hand. Simple stuff like that to just make it feel real. Now that we've got a video, we have our script, our green screen actor, they've edited the video. Now you just need to plug it in to Facebook. So I would go to Ads Manager in Meta or Facebook. Create a campaign simply by clicking Create. To keep it simple, we're going to do leads for right now, but you could also drive this to a landing page. I'm going to set it up the manual way. Hit next. We're going to do instant forms. That's going to give us a contact form fill out for somebody to opt in. You're going to select your Facebook page, which is your client. All right, then you can set a budget of $20. You can add interests, or you can do a custom audience here like we've talked about in other videos, where you could upload a lookalike audience and then target that directly. If you want more information on how to set this up step by step, I'll link the video and the full tutorial on Facebook ads in the description below. Hit next. You'd select your page. You'd add your creative or your video that you just downloaded. And this is an old ad that we did as an example. And I would also just add in the primary text some of the ad copy that we just had. You know, hey, I'm calling them out right away. Hey, chiropractors, are you frustrated with your current practice management software? First thing chiropractors love about ChiroCat is it just feels good to use. Boom, and then I'd have a simple call to action. I don't need to have it word for word. If you're ready to make a change, here's a free trial, book a call, bam. Then I would simply add a headline and then finally create a form. Just by clicking instant form, create form. Now you can add questions, your intro. You can collect their name, email, phone number, and then drive them to a privacy policy and a thank you page. And that's it. That's how you can create an idea from scratch and get it out into the marketplace quickly. I hope by watching this, you've realized that the idea that you have in your head or the idea that your client has in their head isn't that far away from reality. With a few simple prompts, especially using ChatGPT or AI, you can come up with this script very, very quickly, get it in the hands of an actor, have them cut it up, send it to you, send it to your editor for final processing, and you're good to go. I've asked clients to go and provide us something like this, and it takes them months, and sometimes they never get it done ever. But if you take action, do these simple steps, you can provide a high quality product that actually works and converts. And like I said, we do this for our own agency as well. That funnel behind me, or that 2 Comma Club behind me, we won that by running traffic through one funnel through our business by using the same methodology, calling out our niche directly, having a CTA, and moving them through the funnel. And as promised, I'm going to give you our winning funnel guide that's going to load you with the questions that you should ask your client to get this information, build the script, build the funnel, everything you'll need. It's in the comment below. You can download it for free. Check it out. And if you're looking for one-on-one support on how to start, grow, and scale a social media marketing agency, I highly recommend you check out the SMMABlueprint.com. It's the top-rated course with over 127 modules to step-by-step guide you through this process. Don't take it from me. Give it a Google. It's the highest rated course on the marketplace. And if all this was a little bit too far into the weeds and you just want a simple guide on how to get this business started, check out this video here where I break down every step. I'll see you over there.